Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Sagar. 9th October 2025, Hindu page number 7, an awesome article appeared related to post facto environmental clearance. The Supreme Court has declared post facto or retrospective environmental clearances as illegal. Now, you may feel, when I ask you right now, what is your opinion on this? You may feel like this is awesome. Yeah, this is awesome. But this particular article will give you another perspective. Why it is not that awesome. Why we should not be putting a blanket ban on post facto environmental clearances, because something happened. 2013, there was an NGT judgment, National Green Tribunal judgment, where they stayed a government memorandum, as you can see here, that allowed retrospective approvals. And after 12 years, in One Shakti versus Union of India, Supreme Court has upheld the NGT stance that yes, if you are constructing a project, you have to take environmental clearances beforehand. But why this 12 years delay? That gave hope to so many different industries that maybe, a leniency will be done. And that's why this 12-year gap is there. Supreme Court could have taken a swifter stance if they had, if they wanted to. Now the point is, what now? What will happen to those industries which got, post, hope you can understand, post facto environmental clearance? All of them will be bulldozed and all of them will be removed. Should there will be a one size fit all approach, or should we be doing something else entirely? Interesting article, man. It will give you a lot of perspective. And via this particular article, we also solved the UPSC Mains 2020 question on EIA, Environmental Impact Assessment, how EIA of 2020 is different from EIA of 2006. And this article is saying that, every state is interpreting this rule differently. Some have begun demolition drive. Basically, what is your aim? If you are, making post facto environmental clearances illegal, you want to do environmental conservation. But when you're doing these demolition drives, building industries, institutions, they are being demolished, environment is impacted, bro, and in a negative way. So this article is saying that there's no one size fit all approach, and it means Supreme Court should take it on a case to case basis. This whole scenario, it's a very delicate scenario. There is not one right answer to this particular question or the conundrum which we are talking about, and it overlooks this whole judgment overlooks the principle of sustainable development under Article 21. Do have a look at this article, or you can watch my Hindu analysis of 9th October 2025, where we have talked about this. I have made that 9th October Hindu analysis in 2 parts, and then I talked about, apart from this, we talked about UPSC Mains 2020 question, which was how EIA 2020 notification is different from 2006 notification. And again, you can get this Hindu analysis PDF of mine from this Telegram channel, Fun Study with Shub, so you can join it as well. Take care, be blessed, tata, bye bye.